If your website isn't helping you to get more leads and clients every single week, then something is wrong with it. What I'm saying is that most small business websites don't convert. That means that the websites are there, they get traffic, they just don't make money. And why is that? Well, today I'm going to explain to you why this is happening, and most importantly, I'm going to give you 3 quick fixes that you can use on your website to start generating more leads for your small business. The first thing on your small business website that you need to fix to start generating more leads is that you need to include more social proof. Now, the reason why this is important is because social proof is going to tell your website visitors a few things. It's going to say, 1, I am real. 2, I can do what I say I can do. And 3, I have helped someone like you, therefore I can help you. A lot of times whenever customers come to your website and they see social proof meaning they see testimonials, they see reviews, and they see proof that you can do what you can do because you've done it for someone else, it's going to help to remove all the fear and anxiety that they have in spending money. Remember, whenever you want to spend money to buy something, your biggest fear or reason for not spending is not that you don't have the money, not that you don't want the product or the solution, but it's that you don't want to make the wrong purchase. Is this the right option for me? Your customers and your clients are going to be the same whenever they go to your website. So what I need you to do is you can just check out this video right here that we made about social proof. It will tell you everything that you need to know and include some quick fixes as well. But really, right off the bat, what you need to do is just include more testimonials, real reviews and testimonials, feedbacks from your clients. Whenever a client or a customer gives you a bad review, it's actually a good thing. They're literally saying that, you know what, I think if you fix this, your product will be awesome. And that's invaluable. When customers or clients are unhappy with your product or service and they don't give any feedback, they are not helping you. So whenever you get bad reviews, bad feedback, use it as an opportunity to improve your product or service. Whenever you get good feedback and good reviews, use it as an opportunity to get more sales, more clients, more money in your pocket. The second reason why your website isn't converting is that your website doesn't have a valuable lead magnet. Now, lead magnets are as old as time. And the simple fact of the matter is that without a lead magnet, which is basically something you give to your website visitor for free that is valuable and they would pay for in exchange for their contact information, could be their email address, could be their phone number, you won't get leads. This is important because you see over 90% of your website visitors will come to your website and they'll leave and they'll never return. Matter of fact, this is the biggest problem I see most small businesses have when they run, for example, Google Ads. They run a Google Ads directly to their homepage and their homepage doesn't have a lead magnet. So let's say that you have a small business website, you have fixed your social proof issues, and now you want to start generating more leads. Well, the next thing you need to do is set up your lead magnets, and your lead magnet is basically going to be something that helps your ideal client solve the problem that you help them solve, move away from fear or anxiety, or move closer to their dream goal. It can be one or any combination of all of those different points. That's going to make a great lead magnet. Now, some of the most proven lead magnets are like, for example, a discount code, free consultation, free quotation, a checklist, an infographic of some sort. These are all lead magnets that you can use. The best lead magnet I say that you should use though is one that when you create that lead magnet, it's so valuable that if you asked your clients to pay for it, then they would. Putting your lead magnet on your website and coupling that with your social proof is going to increase the number of leads that you get from your website. But the third thing that you need to do, and most importantly, without doing this, nothing else matters, is that you need to actually have a professional looking website. You see, most of your clients and customers are going to come across your business for the first time online. Second problem is that even if they know you from, face to face in the physical world, when they come across your website, it's going to actually tell them a lot about your business. Now, if your website is old and dated in this day and age, really, what does it say about your product or your service? What does it say about your customer care? What does it say about your attention to detail? What does it say about your ability to handle the hard-earned money that your clients have worked for. You see, your website is not just a website. Your website is the front of your business. If your business is old, dilapidated, the paint's stripping, it's very dirty and disorganized, and everything is out of place, no one can understand where to go and what to do and who to speak to when they enter your business place, no one's going to do business. If your website is the same, it's old, it's outdated, the design sucks, there's an information where you need it, and whenever you go to the website, you don't know where to go to get what you want, no amount of lead magnets and social proof is going to help you. Lucky for you though, you can actually watch our free tutorials here to learn how to build an amazing website for free. You can hire a team to get that set up for you. Or you can go to our online kit store, kits.zelhan.com, where we actually build you conversions and sales ready website kits and business kits. That's going to help you get set up online. You get a beautiful website, you get a corresponding lead magnet, and you also get email marketing integrated. And if you want to be adventurous, you can also get website hosting, website security, and everything in between. Minimal design and editing needed. So go ahead and check those out. They're in the description below and they're in the card above. And let's start generating some more leads for your business. Now, here's the thing. After you've generated the leads, what's next is that you need to convert these leads into clients and customers. We have an email marketing tutorial as well, right here, coming up to help you get the best out of your leads.